Hi everybody, it's Prevention Pest Control YouTube. How you doing? Dave Novak here from Prevention Pest Control. Hey, we're doing a termite treatment today on a real estate property, so I grabbed Mike to do a quick video here. The situation is they did a home inspection on the property, detached garage, and they found termites in the detached garage. So we got a call to come out and give an estimate and do a treatment. The pictures on the home inspection showed one little mud tube on one of the beams. So we get here today to do the treatment and we found something a lot different. And I want to show you here, we've got some boards that were stacked on the back end of the garage. And you can see the damage that the termites were doing. And we've actually still got some active termites in here that you can see. The worker termites here, and there's a soldier kind of up in there. And this is the damage that they did to the boards that were in the back of the garage. These were all stacked one on top of each other, and you can see like this one over here is god awful. You can see that damage there, basically hollowing that out. So we came in today to do the treatment. My concern is when you're buying a house and you have a home inspection done and you would like a termite inspection, nowadays a lot of home inspectors are doing the termite inspection. It's called a WDI, wood destroying insect report. And what they do is they go get licensed, they take a test, and they get licensed to do it. The problem is these guys are not dealing with termites, carpenter ants on a regular basis to really know what they're looking at sometimes. Some of the home inspectors I deal with that do termite inspections are very good. Some of them, what can I say? You don't say a whole lot about it. So what I would recommend is if you're buying a home and you're having a home inspection done and you are worried about any kind of insect problem, hire a pest control company to do the termite inspection. We look at it all day, so when we get to a job like this, we can evaluate what's going on. My problem with this job specifically is these boards were on the back of the garage and nobody looked at them. Nobody pulled them apart to see this. So when you see this damage, I don't know about you, but if I was buying this house, I would have wanted to see this because it would have maybe made a difference on what kind of treatment I wanted done, maybe what money I would have offered on the house. So knowledge is everything. Hire a pest control company when you're doing a termite inspection, and I think something like this won't be a surprise after the fact. We got some good videos coming up here in the next couple weeks. Keep an eye out, and as always, thanks for watching.